A lot of people, when they think about chiropractic, they think about either getting your neck or your back cracked or popped, and that's not really what helps when we adjust people. When we adjust the spine, it helps send messages to the brain, and it helps your brain function better. And as a result, your body's going to naturally heal a lot better. Going to see a chiropractor and getting adjusted is the equivalent to brushing your teeth or flossing your teeth. As we move the spine, we break up adhesions. That's the same thing as flossing your teeth. But if that spine stops moving, that degeneration is going to build back up. Whatever it is that you want to continue to do in your life could become restricted if you don't take care of your health, and especially your spinal health.